Ayusin natin lang yun ano. Ayan, recording.
Yeah,
Okay,
It is. Okay, to give us the hit song, The Calling, what's the title of the song again? Adrian. All right. Okay, so let's welcome first song for today, August 25 edition of Tunog Lokal, the Jello Band.
My love, and all the crazy things you put me through, and I've been coming around, throwing it back to you. Were you thinking of me when you kiss him? Could you taste me when you lick his skin? And all the while, showered you with trust and promises. What I'm needing now is some sweet revenge to get back all that I lost, and I gave you all I had to give, but I can never reach you. Adrian, I thought I knew you. Once again, you use me, Adrian. I should have left you long before. You use me up. Spent my money, drove my car, treated you like a shining star, but in my sky, all burned down like you are. And I'll have the last laugh when I see you walking with some other guy, 'cause I know you're gonna end up all alone. So take this word, some good advice. All you done's gonna come back twice. Never cared how much it hurts. I really need to tell you, Adrian, I thought I knew you. Once again, you use me, Adrian. I should have left you long before. You use me up. Back all that I lost and gave you all I had to give, but I can never reach you. Adrian, I thought I knew you. Once again, you use me, Adrian. I should have left you long before. Use me, Adrian. Long before, Adrian. Oh, Adrian, Whoa.
Isang masigabong palakpakan naman dyan. Isang talaga masigabong palakpakan naman dyan. Hindi tayo papalakpakan mo na mangyari.
Anong masasabi mo sa patikim, pare?
Tikim ba yun?
Appetizer yun.
Appetizing. Definitely. Adrian.
Yeah.
So, mabubuna mo sa unang banat pa lang nila mga talagang tipong ala bandang ang tugtugan nila is like, ano bang tawag sa ganung
kind of sensing,
soft rock.
Yeah. Alternative rock.
Alternative rock, yeah.
I'm kind of sensing they're a big fan of The Calling.
Oo nga. Pakiramdam ko lang.
Yeah.
Kasi The Calling din yung ano nila.
Maraming mahilig dyan sa band na yan.
The Calling.
The Calling.
No.
The Calling.
Pati din po kayo.
Kami? Medyo lang. Oo, depende.
Adrian!
Oo.
I'm a big fan of The Calling din. Yeah.
I call a big fan of The Calling. Ano ba yung favorite song ko ng The Calling? Where?
They
Stigmatize
also did
siyempre,
the
oo.
song, you remember If?
If
Yeah.
pagpatawad mo
Ivalakpak ang mga kamay.
sa fatusin ka namin. Ano ba
Kaya lang
yun?
umalis na si Alex Band sa The Calling.
Si Alex Band
Tuloy pa
wala.
ba ang The Calling or disbanded na? Kasi may mga solo may solo album na si Alex Band eh.
Opo.
Alam niyo kung ba't siya humiwalay sa The Calling?
Bakit daw?
Eh, kasi ano eh. Kahit daw mag-isa lang niya, band pa rin siya eh. Alex
Diba?
Band.
Oh, saan ka pa, di ba? One man band din.
Yeah.
Wala akong mapindot dito na twing!
And partner,
Twing!
and partner, nung nag-audition sila, you remember yung audition song din nila?
Yeah.
That was the Calling song din, and they did great on that song.
Ayun ba? Ayun.
Kasama ba yun sa menu natin ngayon?
Opo.
Yun naman.
Ayun naman.
Di ba? Yung umpisa,
Sige,
you
sama.
remember yun? So, woo!
Pakilagyan ng extra sauce, ha? Oo.
Mamaya meron akong konting trivia about sa song na yan.
Ginutom tuloy ako.
Pag tinugtog na nila yung song na yun.
Ah, may trivia
May
ka?
konting trivia ako about that. So,
Masaya, malungkot.
mixed.
Mix!
Oo.
Masaya, malungkot
May
rin.
drama. Parang champoy, pare.
Ay, para ka lang palang
may drama,
ano.
may comedy, may... may
Para ka lang
seriousness.
palang nanundot ng ilong nun. Masayang malungkot pag ganun eh.
Champoy.
O di ba? Masayang malungkot pag nanundot ka ng ilong.
Tapos associated pa sa champoy, pare ha. Parang...
Oo nga.
nadudugyatan niya lang sa sasabihin.
Minsan nakakalimutan natin. Naka-ere pala tayo. Sorry, kala ko nag-uusap lang tayo sa kanto doon.
O, pakilala na natin yung band isa-isa, pare.
Ay.
On vocals,
Janet.
Jun, 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 Jun.
John Edwards.
Si John Edwards.
yung vocalista. Taga saan ka, pare?
Sa Gallagher po.
Oh, I'm supposed to stop the recording.
Oo nga.
Sorry. Nalibang ako, pare.
Nalibang nga. Eh, pati yung dito.
Oh my gosh.
Oo nga.
Okay.
Yan muna.
Stop muna.
Stop mo muna yan. Oo. Naliga na. Dapat hindi lagpas ng 12 minutes. Ano. Okay na rito?
Ito, i-stop ko pa lang din.
Yan, okay.